Most people don't wind down at night. They just stop. They scroll until they're tired, they carry tomorrow's to-do list into their pillow, and then they wonder why they wake up already exhausted. What if the evening wasn't just the end of the day, but the beginning of tomorrow? That's what a night reset is, and it doesn't require a complicated routine, just 5 small habits. 5 quiet signals to your mind and body that say, today is done. You are safe. You can rest now. We live in a culture that glorifies the morning routine, but nobody talks about what you do the night before that morning matters just as much. The way you close your day determines how well you sleep, how clear your mind feels when you wake up, and how much mental space you carry into tomorrow. These 5 habits take less than 30 minutes total. They're not dramatic or expensive. They're just intentional. Let's go through them together. Habit 1, the 10-minute tidy. Before you do anything else tonight, just tidy one small corner of your space. Not the whole house, not a deep clean, just the surface you'll wake up to tomorrow. When your environment is calm, your nervous system follows. A cluttered room sends a subtle signal to your brain that there's still work to do. A tidy one says, we're done for today. 10 minutes, that's all. And tomorrow morning you will thank tonight you for it. Habit 2, the tomorrow list. Here's something your brain really needs at night: permission to stop. And the only way to give it that permission is to get your tomorrow out of your head and onto paper. Write down just 3 things, the 3 things that actually matter tomorrow, not a full to-do list. 3, that's it. When it's written down, your brain doesn't have to hold on to it anymore. It can finally exhale. That list is your signal that the planning is done, and the rest of the evening belongs to you. Habit 3, the body wind down. Your body needs a signal that the day is over, and one of the simplest ways to give it that signal is warmth. A warm shower or a warm drink, even a soft, warm blanket around your shoulders. Another body wind-down technique is slow, intentional movement. A good place to start is maybe lying on the floor and gently stretching, or simply rolling your shoulders and neck without any urgency. Let the movements be small and unstructured. That's it. Just 5 minutes of being gentle with the body that carried you through the whole day. Habit 4, the gratitude close. The last thing you write tonight doesn't have to be profound. It just has to be true. 1 sentence. Something small that was good today. The coffee that was just right. A moment of quiet. A task you actually finished. When you close the day with gratitude, your brain begins to look for what's complete instead of what's missing. It gently shifts your focus from unfinished loops to quiet moments that were enough. And over time, that changes everything. This is your gratitude close, the door that signals today is complete. Habit 5, the soft shutdown. The last habit is the simplest and the one most people skip. It's the soft shutdown. One by one, you turn off your screens. The lamp clicks off, the curtains close. You're not just getting ready for sleep, you're creating it. Light tells your brain it's still daytime. Darkness tells it it's time to let go. The soft shutdown takes 2 minutes, but those 2 minutes become a clear physical signal. The day is officially over. There's nothing left to do, nothing left to check, nothing left to respond to. It is safe to rest, and your brain finally believes you. Well, there you have it. 5 minimalist habits for a calm evening. 5 habits, 30 minutes or less, and a nervous system that finally gets to exhale. The 10-minute tidy, the tomorrow list, the body wind down, the gratitude close, and the soft shutdown. You don't need all 5 to start. Pick one tonight and see how different tomorrow morning feels. If this video resonated with you, go ahead and subscribe. New videos on minimalism, mental wellness, and simple habits for a calmer life are released every week. See you in the next one.